Good evening, YouTube. Today is October 2nd, 2019. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Coinbase Pro. Coinbase Pro is the essentially the new GDAX. Before I get started, I have a bunch of catching up to do. I haven't posted in a couple months because I've been really busy with my day job, and then I've been working on a side project that is not related to crypto at all, so apologies for that. Moving forward, I won't be posting videos on a regular scheduled basis. Instead, I'll be posting them on demand. And what that means is if any of you have questions, you can submit them in the comments of any of my videos, and I will basically respond there. If any of those questions require me to make a video or you want me to make a video, I'll make a video in response to your comments. So that's how that's going to work. As usual, I'm not a financial professional or advisor, so do your own research. With that said, let's go ahead and get started. For those of you who don't know what GDAX was when it existed, it was basically Coinbase, but a different user interface. The UI looked a little bit more technical and advanced, but the reason I liked to use GDAX over Coinbase is the fees were much cheaper and lower. I don't know why. So just to prove that GDAX no longer exists, you can try to go to GDAX and you just get an error. They don't even redirect you to Coinbase Pro, which I think is weird. So let's get started by logging into Coinbase Pro. I don't remember the link, so I just Google it. Click on the top, and this is what Coinbase Pro looks like. To log in, just click on login. If you already have a Coinbase account, click on login, because you can use the same account. So there you go. And now I'm going to type in my Coinbase username and password. And now I have to verify with a code that they sent to my phone just now. And there we go. We're logged in. It's loading. Obviously, you can tell this looks more like a technical trader's account, not like the nice Facebook-looking Coinbase UI. But you can essentially trade, look at your orders and your wallet, and a bunch of other stuff. Okay? So from here, you can set up accounts like bank accounts and all that, buy and sell, deposit and withdraw. This can all get kind of confusing, so I don't plan on going into depth in this video for any of the different functionalities or features in here, but if you have questions on how Coinbase Pro actually works, like I said, ask them in the comments and I'll respond with a video. Thanks for your time and have a good evening. Bye.